Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by creating two files, index, HTML and styles, CSS in the same folder. Open index, HTML and add the minimal HTML skeleton so the browser renders. Once done, save both files. Now add a link tag inside the head to reference styles. CSS, this is the first actionable step. Make sure the href matches the file name exactly, including case. You do this now so the browser can load CSS when the page opens. Small typos break the connection. You link the files using link rel equals stylesheet href equals styles. CSS placed in the head. Next, structure your CSS. Start with base styles like body font and colors, then layout rules such as container widths, and finally component classes for buttons or cards. Once structured, add a simple rule, body font family, Arial, sans serif, and save. Open index, HTML and refresh. Inspecting with the browser dev tools shows if the stylesheet loaded. This clarifies why organization speeds debugging. You complete by validating styles across elements and adjusting specificity. Prefer classes over inline styles, and keep selectors simple. If styles don't appear, open DevTools and inspect the Elements and Network tabs to verify the stylesheet loaded and wasn't blocked. Once done, clear cache or force refresh to avoid stale CSS. If rules still conflict, increase selector specificity or use a targeted. Important sparingly. This final check ensures the HTML and CSS are joined and behave as expected.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.